Okay guys, today I'm going to share my delicious Jamaican salmon rundown. I know most people use the mackerel and saltfish rundown, but trust me, you're not going to like this. Okay? Okay guys, so now I'm just going to add some oil to the Dutch pot and then just saute the chopped vegetables for like a minute. So next I'm just going to add coconut milk and cook it for about 20 minutes until it thickens. It's been 20 minutes and as you can see, it has cooked down to a custard consistency. I'm just going to add the salmon back and cook for 5 more minutes. So this is the finished product, Jamaica salmon rundown. So I'm going to try it and make me know if I like it. It's a good option for those of us in foreign who don't have easy access to saltfish and mackerel. One love.